This 2025 Keystone Cougar 290 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 33 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, water heater, awning, microwave, oven, smoke detector, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, LP detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 290 RLS is 10,435 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.